Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to restore Facebook Messenger chat without PIN. Alright, let's begin. Here's how to restore your Facebook Messenger chat without a PIN. If you've forgotten your Messenger PIN but still want to get all your messages back, don't worry. This method will help you out. Now, open the Facebook Messenger app on your iPhone or Android device. You can also do this from your computer by visiting messenger.com. Once you're inside Messenger, tap on the menu icon. Depending on your device, it might be at the bottom right or top left corner. Then, tap on Settings at the very top of the menu. Inside your settings, scroll down until you see Privacy and Safety, which has a small house and lock icon. Within this section, you'll find the setting for end-to-end encrypted chats, which is where your PIN is used for encryption and recovery. Tap on End-to-end Encrypted Chats, and then tap on Message Storage at the top. Here, you'll have two different ways to restore access. The first option is to reset your PIN. Just tap on Reset Your PIN, and you'll be able to create a new one. Pick something easy to remember, like a simple pattern or number sequence. Once that's done, your encrypted messages will be restored and accessible again. The second option is to simply turn off storage. By doing this, all your current messages will remain on your device. You won't lose them. But Messenger will stop encrypting them with a PIN. That means you won't have to deal with remembering or resetting your PIN in the future. And that's it. So that's basically how you can restore Facebook Messenger chat without PIN. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.